Once you log into AuctionRunner, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. You can have the option to start a new auction or join an auction. We'll talk about joining in another video, but for right now, let's start a new auction. When you click New, you will see the name of your auction, and I'm going to call this Demo Auction. Then we'll tap the next field. I can put in an organization, and this would just be the name of your organization and the location of your organization. And from, whoops, if I type this right, there we go. And so now I'm going to hit create. And really, that's all there is to creating an auction. I do want to talk a little bit about some of the features. Now, you can delete your auction, which will set it up, and the auction will be deleted. And if you click this little pencil right here, you can then see a bunch of information about your auction. So I can come in here and put in, let's say, the particular date that my auction is going to be. In this case, let's pick 6/1/2019. And you can put in a time if you want to. The location of the auction, if you want to put that in as well. And this information will print out potentially on some of the different forms that get printed out. You then get to choose a couple of colors. So in this case, there's a blue and a green, which are the defaults. You can change those to a bunch of other colors, which you can see here either as a hex value, or there's a big list of colors here that you can choose from. You can choose the receipt text, which this will print out on the receipts. There's an option to show the value on the bid sheets. If you want to show that, that button can be checked. And then over here are a bunch of templates, and all these templates will allow you to change how the actual things get printed. Right now there aren't a lot of templates, but you can choose some different ones if you want to be able to see that will add over the course of time different layouts as far as what the actual prints look like. And if you watch some later videos, you'll see how that works. Again, you can edit your organization here, and this is your auction key. And this is how you can allow others to join your auction. So what you can do is take this key, send it to someone else, and they can then use the join auction button, which is, whoops, we have to put a valid date. We put in a date here. Let's say it's 7 o'clock p.m. Click save. And let's go back to the main screen, click home, and if they hit join auction, they can put in that key, and then they will be part of your auction. So really all you have to do to have a person join into your auction is create your own, have them go and register an account, and then send them this auction key. They click join, and they're all set up. So just remember, you can always click home, and you go back to your auctions, and you can click my auction, and this will take you to the screen where you'll work on your auction, which I'll talk about in the next video.